Hello everyone, it's Denise Mai Real Estate, and I'm here to give you the market update for April 2020 for Greater Vancouver. First off, happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there or who have a mom to be celebrated. I hope this weekend was a safe and happy, joyous weekend for all of you. Last month we had 1,109 sales. That's about a 39.4% decrease from last year. What we are seeing right now is sales as well as listings are slowing down amidst the COVID-19. I know things are opening up slowly in phases 1, 2, and 3 in the next coming weeks. So right now is really a time to start thinking and preparing before the market starts picking up again. If any of you are looking to buy, right now is really a great opportunity because there is a lot of homes out there that have been listed for quite a many days on the market. Right now, last month's sales was 62.7 below the 10-year sales average. So what that means is right now we haven't seen the market be in this low of an activity, especially during a spring market, in a long time. Of course, a big factor is due to the social distancing measures that were set in place during this time. And of course, right now we are seeing realtors really adapt to the new environment with virtual open houses as well as more virtual tours, which makes it easier now for buyers to really get an idea of the inside of a home before they even step foot into it. What we are finding, if there are buyers looking right now, they are very, very serious. So what this has happened for the market is that it's really filtered out the serious buyers from the non-serious buyers, and of course the serious sellers from the non-serious sellers as well. The total number of new listings last month was 2313. That's down from 5742 last month of April. That means a 59.7% decrease. So in terms of new listings, we are seeing there is lower inventory. So in terms of if you are a seller out there and you are thinking about selling, you may want to be ahead of the curve and get the ball rolling, because right when this COVID-19 really smooths over, we are going to find an increase of inventory of listings is what in my opinion, what we're going to see. The good news is that home prices have remained relatively steady despite the COVID-19. So things have leveled off a little bit. However, right now is still a good opportunity if you are looking for an investment, rental property, or even your principal residence. Right now would be a great time to start getting the ball rolling on that as well. If you would like a market update or talk a little bit strategy in terms of what you'd like to do in the next coming months, feel free to contact me. I'd be more than happy to set up a private consultation for you. Again, my name is Denise Mai. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there and take care.